gonna happen is we're gonna make some people mad. Pro in the summer.
But it's like the winter already. So I click.
Huh. Could have sworn there was a hidden entrance around here somewhere.
What do I do? I don't even know. Wait, you went to the left, right?
Just go left or right. I'm going down the middle. Go top. Go top.
30 seconds until
Top.
minions spawn.
Yeah.
The gauntlet's for show. The talent's on me.
I don't even know my moves.
Neither do I. We're gonna get yelled at.
I'm following Nutter
Don't make me
Butter.
put my goggles on.
Don't you know who we are?
What's up, Nutter? Oh, Nutter Butter just ate me and spit me out.
That can't be healthy. Remember to stay close to the towers. Oh, I got all three of them hovering around me here, waiting to devour me.
I'm in my element, fighting evil. Good. Dia! Just like in Sentence.
What is Nutter Butter even doing? He just... It's W. Oh, I can teleport. I do like a cool.
First blood.
I'm always open to new ideas. My new ideas.
I got three of them down here, man.
I got one down here.
No problems here.
Oh, jeez, what move is that?
I'm doing awesome pasta.
Or
Cheryl like Feather never gives up. He
I
learned
hate
that
how
from
this
me.
guy picks me up and throws me. I mean, like bars. Oh, I have no clue what he is.
Ally has been slain.
No, not Nutter Butter.
Don't worry. I'm not the magic artifact police. Wait, are you?
I'm taking on the whole entire.
There's three dudes running my lane. That means there should have only been one-on-one for you guys.
Yeah, we're gonna get a Nexus destroyed. Yeah.
Last time I was in
South.
Shurima, I decoded some glyphs. Something about jackal head.
Where are you? I wanna
anti-
find you,
the
Skizz.
usual.
So
I just wanted this ruby scarab.
I'd
It
do
looks
better
great
around
on my
you.
mantle.
Are you on the middle, left, or right? Zed?
Yeah, he's not
Zed's
too
like-
smart.
Probably smarter than me. I'm fighting like a noob. Oh,
Go boy.
I got some coins.
These guys aren't very good. At least we don't have to worry about that.
If anyone asks, I didn't see any of these priceless artifacts for sale.
Need some cool boots.
Oh, Hungolt. This guy's good.
For some. Yeah, I don't remember everything my dude does.
Zed. There's one dude that I'm fighting and he's like really good.
Oh, you're playing against me?
Oh, I'm playing against Hungolt. He's a level 6. Where do I upgrade?
Go back to the where you spawned.
I never.
I'm there.
I have been known to fire a warning shot or two.
I get from my items. I have no clue. This. I don't know how to do it.
The heck? Did no damage to her? Bunch of malarkey.
Possible comebacks are sort of my
Go on,
specialty.
Hongo.
Get you.
Come on, Zed, hurry up. Slow. I think I can teleport. Like one of my moves.
I rarely know what I'm looking for.
I picked an assassin.
I remember my final at Ultra. Pretty sweet. Yes. That dude's killing their other team.
Oh. This guy's really good. Where do I go to upgrade?
Back home.
I'm there.
Then you click on the little, there's like a little guy at the port. See him?
Yeah. Oh.
Buy stuff.
Tag. I have a tag.
Hard work. Not today.
An enemy has been slain.
Where are you, Dad? Which lane are
In
you
the
on?
middle.
You're in the middle? Alright, I'll go down there.
Killed the Zed dude like 3 times now.
Is he even worse than me? No, he's probably better than me.
Oh, he's definitely.
For real? I can't even use my attack. That guy's like the only good guy on their team.
Excuse me?
Well, oh, I
You
said
seen me
on the
play?
opposite.
Have you seen me play?
No. Well, maybe once.
Exploration runs in my
Oh,
family.
there you are.
It's in my blood.
Hang back, though. Hey,
Oh, no.
gotta wait for the minions, bud.
Killing spree.
Yeah, I like this guy. It's pretty sweet.
I just don't know how to use anybody in this game.
Ooh.
She knows I'm a noob.
Funny.
I don't know how to play this game.
Funny. Such a noob.
I'm not used to this. I'm gonna upgrade this ninja star thing. It's pretty good.
Back and buy some cool boots. Styling.
Don't worry. I'm not the magic artifact police. Wait, are you?
Alright. I'm all good.
Couple more coinage. Can get some good.
Let's go.
Never met a problem I couldn't
Here, I'm gonna go back.
don't even understand.
Got enough. Here, you go down the middle, son. Be there in a minute. Buy something cool. Better take her tower.
Try not to. I bet our minions are down there anyway.
Go get her.
Oh, yeah.
Go get her. Just jump on top of her. Right, go back to the tower. Back to the tower.
Once it's a ruin, I can easily loot it.
Right.
Jero Lightfeather never gives up. He learned that from me.
Are you gonna attack, Sonney?
I did. Yeah.
Alright, get the tower, get the tower. Keep attacking the tower. What are you doing?
An ally has been slain. An ally has been slain.
You're unstoppable. Here, hit B. Hit B, Sonney. Hit B. Here you go. There's a.
Oh no.
They're going down the other side.
I hate the word steal. I
You go
prefer
get 'em.
Liberate.
Right.
Disappeared.
this guy like picks me up. He's like, go fight. Trash.
Or trash, son.
I'm at my
No.
best when the game
Gotta go back. Do some cool healing.
Oh, I figured out what I can do. I can push 2 moves at once, and it shoots. It teleports me, and I can use another move while I'm teleported. I'm gonna
If
stay
anyone
back with
asks,
Nutter
I
Butter.
didn't see any of these priceless artifacts
Come
for
down this
sale.
lane with me.
Trinity Folds. Go back down the middle.
You are.
Got old Zed the Ned taking out our tower.
True explorers follow the compass in their heart.
No, that's bad. They're destroying our turrets like crazy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get some upgrades.
Got some good players on our team.
Why not have it?
The gauntlet is go. Talent's on me.
Talented.
Come on.
No plan survives first contact.
Oh, get her, get her, get her. Dang it.
Ally has been slain. Legendary.
Should have had him.
Leveled up.
Couple levels behind.
I'm always open to new
I
ideas.
know. I've never played this game yet.
No excuses.
I upgraded my Shuriken.
I
So I
don't
can.
play a little Street Fighter.
No, it's a Shuriken. It does a lot of damage.
Legendary.
Oh, run away, run away, run away.
I destroyed it.
I rarely
And
know
you
what
also died.
It's alright.
Oh, is it, Sonny?
It's better than not destroying a tower.
Gonna try to sneak up behind these dudes.
What's a death recap?
Watch yourself die.
It's a boring path.
I don't want to watch that. Oh, dang. Oh, that. Yeah, that's awesome. I'm going to be doing a bunch of damage. Alright, so are you going down the middle, or...
Who needs a
I was
map?
facing the dudes on the side there.
An enemy
Gonna go buy
has
some
been
cool
slain.
stuff.
Are you going to go down the middle after that?
Wherever the bad guys are coming.
I don't know which way they come. I'm going to go down the middle,
Yeah,
though.
I think they're going down the middle right now.
Don't worry. I'm not the magic
I'll try and
artifact
hold them
police.
off.
Wait, are you?
Which I probably won't. Oh, yep, they're coming down.
500.
I love my teleporting move.
Oh, my guy's got a teleporting move. It's pretty sweet. Alright, I'm coming. Coming.
Don't worry, I got
I
Nutter
don't
Butter
know
with
the
me.
rules, then how can I be
Oh, Nutter Butter.
I love Nutter Butters. They're so deep. Ooh, there's a lady down here. Stop. Keep. Put me in. Stop trying to do that. Oh, jeez. That does a lot of damage.
An ally
Oh.
has been slain.
Oh,
Guy?
An
yes, there's like. There's 3 guys going down the middle.
ally has been slain.
There's 3 guys going down the
Oh,
middle.
this team.
I thought you said the other team was bad.
Well, they were.
Sure they were. They said, do you want to surrender? Someone already said yes. Give up.
Oh, fake.
All
Get him. Nice. No.
I'll revenge you, Daddy. Maybe.
Oh, you had better. We're actually not that far behind them. In 1924.
Why do you try to suck me up in your mouth? Whoa.
It heals you. A good thing.
Oh.
Let him eat you.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Oh, way to go, Sonny. Let the team down.
How is it my fault?
Sure, it's your fault.
I'm going down the middle.
Omitting that little mishap from the
Just killed me and Nutter Butter.
Finders keepers.
I bet they're getting mad at us. Do you think the rest of our team's getting mad at us?
You at least, for sure.
Yeah. Oh wait, I could have got this move. Death Mark? Ooh, that looks cool.
I hate the word heal. I prefer liberate or procure.
Run away.
You're between me and gold.
Stay back, Nutter Butter.
Taking out the dragon by himself. Now our team's horrible.
Yeah. Yeah. For sure. Okay, I got a new move called Death Mark. I think it's because I'm so low of a level. They can kill me easily.
Yes. Ah, no, run away.
Oh, what kind of move is that? It's cool.
Oh, the witch gave me a shield. Oh, old man still got it.
Is victorious.
Did quite a bit of damage, but I just don't know how to use my moves very well. I don't know combos or anything.
Yeah, my guy's hard just because you actually have to aim his shots, not like an auto attack.
I don't like this third-person view. It's not really. I like the Smite where it's like first-person.
I like both of them. I think they're both fun.
Smite's easier though. Oh, that's their whole team. I weakened one of them down to like half health.
I'm at my best when the world's at the brink of annihilation.
Oh,
Oh, that's funny.
Shut down. An enemy has been slain.
I think we did fairly well. Not horrible.
Enemy double
Yeah.
kill.
man.
Attack damage. Lifesteal, you can't beat lifesteal.
I don't even know what my special move does.
It's always good. Good sign of a League of Legender.
Oh,
I'm in my element, fighting
That's
evil.
good.
Life is good.
Oh, one more hit. Please hit her. Dang it.
Plan survives first contact with me.
That would have been sweet.
bro, I'm gonna go in. I gotta kill.
I can't get hauled into Wizard Court again.
Dad, I got a kill. And I died. Yeah.
Oh no.
Dad, I got a kill.
I teleport. Good job. Teleport thing takes too long to recharge.
I'm gonna upgrade.
And we got so
Ninja
close.
Star. Whoa, my Ninja Star does like a bunch of damage now. It brings them down half health with one throw.
Well, start throwing that ninja star, boy.
I got a kill because of that. I threw the Ninja Star and he just started hitting her and it did a lot of damage. Alright, I got a new kill. Oh, nice. You got a kill, but I died. Wait, are we winning?
We don't have as many kills, but we seem to be holding them pretty good. We should be losing.
I think it's like 30 to 37. Yeah, we're only 7 kills down.
Feels like the whole world's gone crazy.
Hold the fort, son. Hold it.
Right, I'm there.
Good.
Nice. You can send the bill to my uncle's museum.
An enemy has been slain.
Daddy, why are you going the opposite ways?
Same with the team.
Alright, I'm gonna stay with you guys too.
Gotta push the lane.
There's a guy. Oh, I brought a guy down really low. But he killed me.
Oh, I'm gonna die too.
Run, Daddy, run! I respawn in like 20 seconds.
Run away. Really fast, like.
Oh man. Oh man.
Nice. Yeah, that witch lady on our team's really good.
She's really good. She's like the best out of all of us.
Your turret has been
If anyone asks, I didn't see any of these priceless
not
artifacts
good.
for sale.
Oh, here we go. Coming down the middle. Go down middle. Yes.
Name's Ezreal.
Nice. This is it. This is our moment. Take him.
Exploration runs in my family. It's in my blood.
Whoa, I threw him 3 ninja stars now.
I don't read books about the world. I
Nice.
go out there and see it for myself.
Is this the Nexus?
Yep.
When we destroy this, we win?
Yep.
I'm pulling back a little bit.
Golly, I'm always so close.
Stay back.
No way to predict the twists and turns ahead.
I'm dead. Oh man.
Oh no.
We destroyed, we almost got their Nexus.
Big.
Hey, it's so strong.
It done snuck up on me.
I want to play as that ninja dude, that other dude's killing us.
Yeah,
I want to play as him. It's like, is he an assassin or something?
Thunderbolt.
My guy, Zed is, once you upgrade his ninja star, he starts to throw like 3 at a time, and it's like,
Stick together as a team again.
I think I like Zed a lot. That is cool. Alright, I'm going away.
It's and he's a good combo.
Dad, you said you were on the bottom.
I'm at the bottom.
Fighting at the Nexus?
Running towards the
Oh,
Nexus.
there's some bad guys coming
He learned that
up
from me.
the... Dad, there's people coming our way to Nexus Tower. Hurry back.
We're fighting,
'Cause I can...
we're fighting the dragon, son. Ain't got time for your
Dad, no,
craziness.
we're gonna die. There's 2 guys that are coming down here, and they're gonna...
Good, there's 3 of us here.
Down there on the very bottom?
We're fighting the dragon. Do you not see the map?
I don't
Get 'em.
see you.
Sneaking up behind him.
I don't know the rules.
Man, that witch is good. Like shielding me and stuff.
You're in the middle.
Got the witch helping you.
Yeah.
Hey, pro tip, stay out of her little barrage.
Like the whole world's gone crazy.
I did.
Holy smokes. That guy does a lot of damage. That's crazy.
No, he like one-hits you.
That is crazy. Yeah, we need the witch lady, man.
No, we've held up this game like really nicely.
Oh, the witch lady has.
I know, she's carrying us all. I'm even past the Nutter Butter dude in levels.
The Nutter Butter dude's not
I'm
even
always
playing
open to
anymore.
New ideas.
He's
Try new
not?
ideas.
Sitting back.
Terrible.
That's why it's so hard. We're actually doing really well because we're playing a man down.
How? How does that make us good?
When
Because
you
we're
got
playing a
talent,
man
there's
down
no
and we're
such
still
thing as a
pushing
lucky
them.
shot.
That's
Technically,
pretty
we're doing
good.
better than the other team.
Yeah,
You're down the middle, right?
yeah. Oh, it's Ninja Dude.
I'm at my best when the world's on the brink of annihilation. I rarely know what I'm looking for, but I always find it.
Run away.
Oh,
Once it's a ruin, I can legally loot it.
oh no!
The word steal,
That's bad.
liberate, or procure.
Dang. She is so good.
They got a witch lady too.
And Ezreal is victorious!
I'm making the way to their place. They're all down there fighting.
An enemy has been
I'm gonna take out this turret.
Pick it out, boy.
Take it out all by myself.
Come on, witch lady, let's do this.
Exploration runs in my family. It's in my
Oh no, there's a person. That's bad.
Right, we're coming up behind them.
There's 2 people. I got a kill. Then I got killed by the ninja, but I killed the girl. Don't worry, I took out one of them down there.
name's Ezreal.
I was worried.
Oh, you're dead.
No, you weren't.
No, because I got witch lady with me.
I know. Oh, I killed that girl. She's actually not that good. She takes damage really easily.
Yeah.
She can deal a lot of damage if she gets...
And the Nazis.
Come on, guys, it's one Nexus. It's the Nexus and we win. I'm making my way down there.
We're so close. Okay, come on. Come on, Goose. Push these fools all the way back.
The gauntlet's for
I'm gonna try and take down this big ol'.
talent's all me.
Oh no, he does a lot of damage. I'm out. See ya.
Yeah, don't take out the big things.
Yeah, little birds. Crazy. Oh, I can take you out.
Oh, a plan.
Keep pushing all the way.
Totally out.
Right. I'm down the middle. I'm going
Fighting
down
the
with-
Nexus now.
Right, I'm going down.
Oh, champion,
Beat it.
champion. That was a good game.
I know that witch lady is the best
Yeah.
I have ever seen.
Let's
in,
check
like,
the
in-
stats.